Missy Huff.
And I'm John Haynes, and we're Haynes Huff Properties.
Today we're in Stanwood getting this beautiful home on an acre ready for the market.
Fall has definitely hit, as you can see. I've got a wind muff on my mic. It matches my beard. What are we doing out here?
Let's go inside, get this house ready for the market. Come on and take a look. So this house is a little over 3,300 square feet, 4-bedroom.
Whoa, Missy, check this out. These doors connect to this bedroom.
The bonus room connects to the bedroom?
This is amazing space. Imagine this for teenage kids.
Oh, they never leave this room?
Oh, we know teenage kids.
Yes.
I'm not ever gonna leave this room.
Oh, bye.
Well, as you can see, we're inside. I've lost my wind muff.
I'm warm now.
Yes, I'm warm too. Well, the fire helps.
Fire does.
Yes. So this home is beautiful. It has everything you want. It has privacy, it has seclusion, and it has convenience.
Yeah, it's really close to
PSC, that's what it has.
PSC?
Privacy, seclusion, convenience.
You just made that up.
Possibly. So if you're looking for a home in Stanwood,
Or any home in the Puget Sound, give us a call.